suicide if you ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad, I know, yeah. I'm sad, I know, yeah. Who am I?
So, judging by the title, I already know y'all have to come from my head. Piercing her own belly button, like, Amber, what the is wrong with you, right? You see, I really want it so bad. So what I did was order a kit. I'll link all the stuff that I ordered down below and all the little supplies I use. I hope this goes well, because if it don't, my ass is grass. But let's just go. Got everything on deck, because if I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this right. I did my research on certain things. So I got the H2O purified ocean sea salt. So this is going to be like for after, like you spray it after. So it can heal. And then I got band-aids for right after, because it started bleeding. Then I got the actual kit itself. It's from this company, Body For You, but I ordered it from Walmart. Yeah, everybody's gonna be like, Walmart, really? Walmart. It costs like $9, so it comes with the clamp, gloves, the needle, the jewelry. We shall open that later. Then I got hydrogen peroxide, because you know you gotta clean your belly button and all that. Then I got the Sharpie to mark it, and some Q-tips over there, and more napkins just in case something's bleeding. God. I just opened the kit, and then the first thing I pulled out was the clamps. It also comes with black gloves. Let's see. Okay, so here are the jewelry, the 14 gauge. Here are the needles.
Hey, yo, good job first.
Oh, let me get the needles out. What am I? Oh, I'm not piercing my belly button. I got the needle out. I feel like mad nauseous right now.
You watch a YouTube tutorial?
And then it's like, I feel nauseous.
That happens to mad people.
Bro, I thought this is fake. I feel nauseous again. Hold on.
No, I ain't hosting. Kush all in my lap because he hold don't wanna roll it